Rolex is not just a watch. It's a global symbol of prestige, precision, and enduring craftsmanship. Have you ever wondered why Rolex watches are so iconic and why they carry such incredible value? From deep-sea diving to scaling the highest mountains, a Rolex is built to conquer all challenges while embodying unparalleled luxury. Stay with us as we take you inside Rolex's secretive world and reveal how these extraordinary timepieces are meticulously crafted to perfection. By the end of this journey, you'll understand why owning a Rolex is not just a purchase, it's a legacy. A Rolex has been a pioneer in watchmaking since its founding in 1905 by Hans Wilsdorf. From creating the first waterproof wristwatch, the Oyster, to revolutionizing timekeeping with self-winding mechanisms, Rolex has consistently set the standard for excellence. Based in Geneva, Switzerland, Rolex operates with an unmatched level of secrecy and exclusivity, ensuring that each timepiece reflects the brand's commitment to precision, durability, and timeless design. But what makes a Rolex so special? Let's step into the heart of their manufacturing process to uncover the secrets behind these iconic watches. Every Rolex begins with the finest materials. Rolex produces its own gold and stainless steel alloys in-house, ensuring unmatched quality and durability. Their proprietary Oyster steel, used in most models, is highly resistant to corrosion and maintains its lustrous finish even under extreme conditions. Gold models use Everose, Rolex's patented rose gold alloy, designed to retain its rich color for decades. The sapphire crystal that protects the dial is virtually scratch-proof, while the bezels on models like the Submariner feature Cerachrom, a ceramic material that is incredibly resistant to fading and wear. The heart of every Rolex is its movement, a mechanical masterpiece designed and assembled entirely in-house. These movements are self-winding, powered by the perpetual rotor, a mechanism invented by Rolex in 1931. Each movement contains hundreds of tiny components, including gears, springs, and synthetic rubies that reduce friction. The assembly process is a combination of cutting-edge robotics and hand finishing by expert watchmakers. Every movement undergoes rigorous testing to meet Rolex's superlative chronometer certification, ensuring an accuracy of -2 to +2 seconds per day, which is twice as precise as the industry standard. The Oyster case, introduced in 1926, revolutionized watchmaking by making wristwatches waterproof. Each case is crafted from a solid block of Oyster steel or gold and is meticulously polished and tested for water resistance. Models like the Submariner can withstand depths of 1,000 feet, while the deep-sea model is rated for a staggering 12,800 feet. Every case is sealed with a screw-down crown and case back, ensuring it remains impenetrable to dust, water, and pressure. These innovations make Rolex the go-to choice for adventurers, divers, and explorers. The dial of a Rolex is more than just a display. It's a canvas of elegance and functionality. Dials are made in-house and often feature applied hour markers crafted from 18-karat gold to prevent tarnishing. Some models, like the Day Date, feature gem-set hour markers, while others use luminous chromalite, which emits a long-lasting blue glow in the dark. Rolex dials are known for their clean, balanced design, ensuring maximum legibility and sophistication. The attention to detail is unparalleled, with every marker and hand perfectly aligned and finished. Rolex bracelets are engineered for both durability and comfort. The Oyster bracelet, with its flat three-piece links, is a hallmark of the brand, while the Jubilee and President bracelets offer additional elegance. Each bracelet is fitted with a clasp that features Rolex's patented Easy Link system, allowing for quick adjustments to ensure a perfect fit. Every link is polished and assembled with precision, creating a seamless blend of comfort and style. While Rolex incorporates advanced robotics in its manufacturing, the final assembly of each watch is done by hand. Expert watchmakers fit the movement into the case, attach the dial in hands, and secure the crystal. This process requires incredible skill and attention to detail, as even the smallest misstep could compromise the watch's performance. Once assembled, the watch undergoes rigorous testing for accuracy, waterproofing, and durability. Every Rolex is subjected to extreme testing to ensure it can withstand the toughest conditions. Watches are placed in pressurized chambers to test their water resistance and are subjected to vibrations, shocks, and extreme temperatures to simulate years of wear. The movement is tested in multiple positions to ensure consistent timekeeping, and the finished watch is inspected for even the smallest imperfections. Rolex's commitment to quality is unmatched, with each timepiece reflecting the brand's obsession with perfection. Rolex's exclusivity is part of its allure. With limited production and a focus on timeless design, Rolex watches often become collector's items, increasing in value over time. Models like the Daytona, Submariner, and Datejust are not just watches. They are symbols of success, status, and achievement. Rolex's commitment to its craft has made it a favorite among explorers, athletes, and world leaders, cementing its legacy as the pinnacle of watchmaking. Now that you've seen the incredible journey of a Rolex watch, it's clear why these timepieces are so revered. They are not just instruments for telling time. They are masterpieces of engineering, design, and craftsmanship. A Rolex is more than a watch. It's a legacy that transcends generations. If you had the chance to own one, which model would you choose to define your story?